Hi, I'm TJ with 3M. I want to talk to you about some applications of weld grinding and beveling using our 3M Silver depressed center grinding wheel. The 3M Silver depressed center grinding wheel is our latest in our advanced series of abrasives, utilizing precision-shaped grain at a value price. Now let's put this wheel on the tool. With the 3M Silver, you have an easy, nice threaded hub that easily mounts onto the electric shaft. Make sure when you're putting it on, it is below the guard. Now you're ready to do some weld grinding and beveling. Beveling through slag is not easy. Beveling is a great application for 3M Silver grinding wheels. It really stands up great to the high pressure of the grinding, and it's long lasting, so you don't have to keep changing out your abrasives. When beveling, you want to hold the wheel at about a 35-degree angle on the tool. That will allow you to cut the bevel. When grinding welds with a depressed center grinding wheel, you want to be careful not to gouge the part. Hold the grinding wheel at a 35-degree angle and make nice, even passes over the weld. And that is our 3M Silver depressed center grinding wheel. Thanks for watching, and remember to show us what you build.